It's your girl Ro in the building, and I'm here to welcome you to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my Valentine's Day special edition. Hey guys, get ready to make a treat, and let's make a heart strawberry arrangement. Starting off with some chocolate candy melts and some strawberries. You want to get you some heart boxes, which I'll leave the link in the description box below. And you want to take the lid off and place it on the bottom so that it can be a part of the box, but we're not going to use the covering. So I have some foam already inserted in this particular box, but I'm going to utilize this box to show you how to add this foam. You're going to need some roses, some baby breath, some cutters, scissors, sticks, and pliers, and piping bag, some sprinkles, and a foam to collect your strawberries and set them on. And let's get started. So here I have some dry foam, and I'm going to use a knife to cut off the extra foam, but I'm going to show you how to fit the foam inside your box. So taking this particular box, you want to give a impression onto the foam so it can be able to cut out easily. And that is what you're going to see me do here and in the next clip. Let's prepare our strawberries. So you want to make sure your strawberries is completely clean, and inserting your skewers into your strawberries right at the top in the center of your strawberries, and then place them onto your foam and set them aside. Now let's prepare our candy melts. I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of Paramount crystals to help with the melting process. I'm going to melt my chocolate for 30-second intervals, and I did 2 30-second intervals, and here I have completely melted candy melts. Now what I'm doing is creating my design for my gift set. So I did 3 designs, and I used 19 strawberries for a medium to large size heart set. Each set is different, and it also depends on the size of the strawberries. Now it's time to prepare our heart box. So here is the box, my flowers, strawberries, and we're going to take the cutter and clip the rose as low as you can get it, but leave at least an inch and a half of the stem to insert into your dry foam. Now I am using fake roses. So if you were using real roses, it would definitely be a different process, but you can also view my other video for that, and that will be using the wet foam. So these are going to be just as beautiful if they were real roses, but I'm using a dry foam so it doesn't have to necessarily be wet because I'm using fake flowers. All right, so I'm inserting my roses into a pattern as you see here, and then I'm going to be adding in some of the baby breath to the side of these roses just to give it a nice beautiful look. And then I'm going to take the other half and insert my strawberries on that side. And while I'm doing the arrangement, I stuck with the design with something simple but nice and elegant. So as you see me apply the strawberries, I did it in a form to fit around the other side of the box. So all the supplies that I am using in this video also will be linked in the description box below. Now here is where you cut down your skewer so that you can begin to apply on the other side. And it's going to come out beautifully. And I enjoyed creating this box, and I know you all will as well. So here's a technique and a gift idea that I hope will help for your Valentine sweeties, or even for your customers or for your family. So I hope you all enjoy. Thank you. And don't forget to subscribe, share, and put in your post notifications. Turn them on, because stay in touch with the next videos that are to come. Enjoy.